Hey guys, Andrew with RCBS here. Today, we're going to be talking about reloading manuals.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
Reloading manuals are a must for every reloader as they are recipes for safe and accurate hand loading. Hand loaders should only use data from trusted sources. Trusted sources online such as Hodgson's Reloading Data Center or data from reputable component and equipment manufacturers. Reloading manuals show verified and safe data to industry specifications that you can trust. When selecting a load from a reloading manual, it's important to know your overall goal for the project. Identify the caliber, the components available, the velocity range you wish to be in, and reference multiple manuals or trusted online data to compare these published load options. Some reloading manuals specify loads they found to be most accurate or consistent in their testing. This is often a great place to start. A couple reminders. Loads are specific to each component, brass, primer, powder, and projectile listed. Do not substitute brands or types of components like bullet styles without checking new data or reducing your load. Never use a lower or higher charge weight than the minimum and maximum loads listed in your data. It's important to follow published loads to ensure your safety. When buying a print manual, buy a recent edition published in the last couple of years to get the most up-to-date information. Reloading manuals are a great educational source and usually give you info on the cartridge you're shooting with reference diagrams, hand loading tips, and more. Keep a few on your bench and you'll use them often. If you have any questions or comments about reloading manuals, drop them down below in the comments. For everything else, come visit us at rcbs.com.